What if the same AI that powers those jaw-dropping Studio Ghibli-style images in ChatGPT could also revolutionize the way we use tools like Adobe and Figma? Well, it's happening. OpenAI is bringing its upgraded image generation model directly into some of the most widely used creative platforms in the world. Before we dive into how this will impact designers, creators, and businesses, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with how you see AI changing your workflow. OpenAI has officially announced that the powerful image generation model behind ChatGPT is now available for other companies to use via its API. This model, called GPT-Image-1, is described as natively multimodal, meaning it can work with both text and images seamlessly. It's capable of generating visuals in a wide variety of styles, following detailed custom guidelines, using real-world knowledge, and even rendering text accurately inside images. And it's not just theoretical. Major players like Adobe and Figma are already integrating this tech into their platforms. Adobe is embedding OpenAI's model into its suite of creative tools, including Firefly and Express. This gives creators, marketers, and everyday users access to next-level image generation tools right inside the apps they already know and use. It opens up flexible, style-driven experimentation and lets users bring their creative ideas to life with incredible ease. Over at Figma, things are getting just as exciting. Starting today, Figma Design users can generate and edit images directly within the platform using GPT-Image-1. That means designers can type a simple prompt and instantly see a custom image appear. They can adjust styles, add or remove objects, expand backgrounds, and do it all without switching tools. It's a huge leap forward for design iteration and visual prototyping. But it doesn't stop there. OpenAI is continuing to expand this capability across more apps and industries. Companies like Canva, GoDaddy, and Instacart are also exploring ways to integrate image generation into their workflows using the same API. The goal is to unlock practical applications across industries, from e-commerce to marketing to everyday business content creation. Initially, the GPT-Image-1 model is being made available through OpenAI's Images API, with support for the Responses API expected soon. This signals that OpenAI is not just enhancing its own products, it's setting the stage for AI-powered creativity to be embedded in the tools we all use daily. This is more than a cool upgrade. It's a shift in how creative work gets done. If you found this update valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on how image-generating AI could improve your work. And before you go, check out the related video in the corner to see how Adobe is evolving its AI capabilities even further.